Hello, and welcome to Language Boost by Englishdom. We're more than just a platform for learning. We're a community dedicated to unlocking your English study potential. Today, we're going to talk about how to manage your time effectively for learning English. Good planning and time management can really boost your progress. Studies show that students who use structured time management techniques can improve their language skills by up to 30% faster compared to those who do not. Let's delve into some practical strategies and techniques to help you maximize your study time effectively. Tip number 1, set clear goals. Instead of saying, I want to get better at English, set a SMART goal. For example, I will learn 20 new vocabulary words and use them in sentences by the end of the week. This kind of goal is clear, measurable, and time-bound, helping you stay focused and track your progress. Tip number 2, make a study schedule. Plan specific times each day for different parts of learning English, like vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking. For instance, you might decide to study vocabulary from 6 to 6:30 p.m. and practice speaking from 7 to 7:30 p.m. This method helps you cover all areas and avoids last-minute cramming. Tip number 3, use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 of these sessions, take a longer break of 30 minutes. This technique helps maintain focus and prevent burnout. Tip number 4, use time blocking technique. Steve Jobs once said, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life." This principle of prioritizing what truly matters can be applied effectively to learning English. For example, imagine you're studying English and you have multiple areas to focus on, such as grammar, vocabulary, and speaking practice. By using a technique similar to Jobs' time blocking, you can allocate specific blocks of time to each area according to its importance and your personal goals. If speaking fluency is your top priority, you might block 30 minutes each day exclusively for conversation practice with a language partner. Meanwhile, allocate another 30 minutes to review vocabulary and another 30 minutes for grammar exercises. By concentrating deeply on these priorities and avoiding distractions during these blocks, you'll use your study time more effectively. Tip number 5, reflect and adjust your plan. Regularly review your progress and adjust your study plan if needed. At the end of each week, think about what worked well and what didn't. For instance, if you found that studying vocabulary in the evening wasn't effective, try changing your study time to the morning. Reflecting on your progress and making adjustments will help you stay on track and improve your study routine. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to Language Boost by Englishdom. We hope these tips help you manage your study time better and make your English learning more effective. See you next time and happy studying!